Jamaican dishes or whatever.
Wow, you a mongoose a cousin?
Your face look like say it's slamming at the car door.
You see your two of them look like Bruce and Jackie Chan a fight?
Lad, your breath smell like 10 days cabbage water.
Look on yourself, man. Go look in the mirror. Jesus, you might broke it too. Stop it. Don't even do it. You gotta go index your face. You ever hear about the toothbrush? You need one ASAP.
Your head dry like coconut brush.
What you need to do? To chuck off back in your mother and unborn. Girl, I want your breath, man.
Your arm green like lime and full of junjo.
Ugly rock butt, girl.
You see your face tough like Jackass Khan.
You want Freddy Krueger, brother? Blow, whoa! Where that stretch march y'all go? Boy, you ugly so till you make blind people a cry. Boy. If them a get award of ugliness, and you a get it. And you more this up as Halloween for?
It's not my fault you shape like barrel.
It's like somebody beat living crap out of your face. Cause boy, it look like some swell balloon. If I rap bad and I rolling captive of picnic, it'll be you.
Your head look like peeled drunk sit down in the top and yam it out.
Well, you have belly around competition. You look like you have a choke tie up on your belly there. Suck your mother, your father, your sister, your brother.
You see your liver lip them?
Send back a message and go tell your mother say for go beat the ugliness out of you. Your auntie, your papa, your niece, your cousin.
Your ears big like Dumbo.
It's like you on the road and a friend. Because you know you was not from all yeah, we can't smell the living shit out of you. Your unborn pitney, your dog.
Your face fever greater.
Stop! Stop! Your ancestors suck your great-great-grandfather, suck your great-great-great-grandmother, suck your... You smell like stinking to my move right here, man. Your great-great-great-great-great-auntie suck your great-great-great-great unborn pitney. Seriously, move right here. I can't take it no more.